Hey YouTube, this is Usagi Sake. In this video, I'll be opening up this Precious Memories booster box as promised last time. This is Love Lab. So these are essentially stills from the anime that they put on cards. I'm really hoping to get a signature card in this deck, or in this booster box, so hopefully we'll get that. Love Lab is a romantic comedy, kind of, not really, but it's mostly just a comedy. It's like a skit anime. It's based on like a 4-koma manga. It has lots of skits and things, so it's kind of funny. But you know, that doesn't have much to do with the cards really, other than it's based on the anime. But yeah, so let's open this sucker up and get into it. Alright. If I can remember their names, I believe this is Riko, then Maki. So Riko, Maki, Suzune, Yuiko, and Sayori, maybe? If I'm remembering correctly. Don't at me, please. So, I have a ton of packs in this one. Not sure exactly how many. Oh, and we get just like a special card just for having a deck box, I guess. Wow, there are a ton of packs, what the heck. So I get this special like promotional card. Okay. There you go. Okay, Precious Memories, sure. There you go. I know you can get signature cards in this, and that would be ideal. That would be what I would want most. How many are in this? Let's see. 20? Okay, 20. There we go. Here's the booster pack. Again, has this stupid tab. Pull it down, hits the card. Useless. Completely useless. Don't know why they do that. Don't know why seemingly every Japanese... It must either be that all card packs are made by the same company, or that it's some kind of weird Japanese law that it has to have that. I don't know. It's weird. I don't know why they do it that way. Alright. So here is Maki. There you go. Looking very wistful. Okay. Here's Yuiko, correct? Yep. Here's Maki again. Doing a little skit. Record. Maki again. This is a Maki heavy pack. Okay. And then... hold on. Don't go anywhere. Precious Memories. Just add in the middle of the pack for some reason. And then we have this... I guess it's holographic, like the edges are holographic. This is where the rare one would be. Okay, there's Sayori. Holographic. And then here's a QR code. I assume those are all the same. I don't really know. I'm sure that's just more information. Okay. And then here is Suzune. Here's all of them in a group walking to school. Okay. Suzune again. I like that haircut much better than her original. I hate her hair. It looks stupid and childish. I mean, they're kids, but come on. You look like you're 4. That's mean. She's supposed to look like that. She's supposed to look like a kind of a nerd, I think. Whatever. Let's open up another pack. Alright, here we go again. Suzune, the big-ass fan. All dressed up, ready to go on a date. There you go, Sayori, very happy there. Another ad in the middle. Here's a holographic card of a picture of all of them. Lame. I really want one of those autographed ones. I don't remember this character. This must be a side character? I don't really know. I don't really remember. Did we get this one already? We got one very similar to this, I think. Maybe not. Maybe not that specific one. Okay. Very angry there, embarrassed. And we got a lot of these to go through. And they're all just kind of stills from the anime. I assume that these are usable in play. I don't like how they like switch sides of the cards. Maybe that like determines the way that you play it. Okay, here we go. 2 of the characters. It's nice. Has like a stamp in the corner. I wonder if that. Oh, I guess they all do. Never mind. It's just the name of the anime. I'm an idiot. So we get a holographic in every pack, which is nice. Okay, there we go. Will Chow flashback. That's cute. There we go. Another pack. Alright. Yuiko, I think, being very angry. Wish I could read Japanese. Text on there, I'm not really sure what that says. Oh, cancelled. Cancelled! Ooh! Maki getting cancelled. She's a Gyaru there. Okay. Yuiko again. Here's a holographic. She looks very chibi. Chibi Maki there. Alright. Another side character. Yuiko again. Oh. Making all the men swoon. I'm pretty sure this is a fantasy. She's making all the men swoon in the rain. Looking so hot with her wet t-shirt. Alright. Is it a love letter? I don't know. Maybe. Nerd reading the book. That's why you can't get any guys. Maki. Ah! Okay, here we go. Suzune. Yeah, all these are pretty much the same. There's not much to talk about. It's kind of for a boring video, I think. Maybe I should have just done a couple of these packs. Doing a whole booster box is like... It's tedious, you know? But you can be along in the journey with me. A journey of tedium. Where you just take stills of the anime and put them on cards. If I actually knew how to play this game, or could read Japanese, this might be a little bit more interesting to you. Another ad. Okay, we got this card in normal form, so I guess you can get it in holographic and normal. That might be how they do all of them. I don't know. Okay, that's a nice dress. I like that. Looking very cute there. Their fan again. She loves that fucking fan. Alright, Maki again. That man in the background, that boy. Boy, that boy. And those lips. Come on. Focus, please. Alright. That boy and those lips. Don't you just want to give him a big smooch? He looks so unappealing as a human being. But I think that's the point. Okay, nerd alert again. Alright, Maki again. She's pretty cute. I like Maki. He's fave girl. Does she have a... She has like a clothespin through her hand, or like a bobby pin. That fucking hurts, presumably. I don't know. If you do it right through the skin, it's not too bad. I used to do that when I was in like junior high. There's Maki, best girl. Okay, good to get a holographic of that. But yeah, I used to do stuff like that when I was a kid. Man, she has lots of cool outfits. I like that. Kitsune. like kimono. Okay, there's a side character, but I like her hair. It goes all the way down. All the way down. But yeah, like putting a bobby pin through your hand or whatever. If you do it right through like the dead skin, it doesn't hurt at all. Or you could just barely pierce the skin and you don't even feel it. And then you can like gross people out and do it scary. Oh my god. Glasses off. 3 mouths to kiss. That's what I'm talking about. Oh boy. That's what I need in my life. Nerd alert again. Sayori. Those nice square rims. Yuiko, looking very angry. Here's the ad again. Best card in the middle of the pack. Love that. It would be better if this was like an ad for a different set. But you already own this. Why would you... This card game featuring beautiful girl characters is filled with the girl's precious memories. Why is this in here? Actually, hold on. Is this a sticker? Can I take this off? That is a sticker. What is the purpose of this? Is that what all of these are? They're all stickers? They're all stickers. Okay, okay, I'm getting it, I'm getting it. Alright, I gotta find something to put these on. Here, let's put them on the back of this. Alright, sticker number 1. Get. Nice. Okay, okay, okay. Let's go through these stickers real fast. I did not realize that those were stickers. Nice. Glad I caught that before comments told me. So we got a new thing to collect. We got stickers. Nice. I love stickers. Let's make sure I get them all. Let's see. Okay, I think I got them all. I'm not 100% sure. I don't think I did, but whatever. Here's 4. 5. 5 more. Okay, so we already have Riko. Riko standing pose. Alright, here is, what's her name again? Yuiko, right? I think. Yuiko, boom. Sticker number 2. Stick that bad boy on there. Alright, now, Suzune. Her bowl cut and... I don't mind the glasses, but that fucking bowl cut, man. Jesus. Are made up for by her cute outfits. Not gonna lie, in GL, those outfits is dope-yo. Okay, we have a dupe. I ain't having dupes on my sticker board, man. Here's Maki. I need more of her. What the heck? Only got one. We are missing Sayori. And then I guess different poses of all the girls. But there you go. Let's you know, keep track of these. Put this back here. Let's keep track of our stickers. Alright. Got a new thing to do. Boom. Another holo. Another ad. Okay. That's fairly cute. Some kind of evil demon text. Looking over the ledge, pondering death. When will it all end? In about 10 minutes. Alright, Maki. Very angry. They're all angry in this one. What the heck? Everyone's angry. Everyone's angry. 2 stickers? Holy shit! Nice, 2 stickers. That's what I'm talking about. This is a good get. Are you fucking kidding me? 2 stickers. Alright. Boom. And boom. Fuck yeah. 2 sticker pull. Holy shit. That is the best pull we've gotten. This nice holo. Screw that. We got 2 stickers. Fuck yeah. Eating corn. Heil Hitler. And Maki. again. Maki has a ton of cards, it seems like. Or I just noticed one more. Sayori. Still missing... Actually, no, we did get Sayori. Alright. Okay, her... I guess that's not a fan, those are papers. Have I been mistaking fans for papers? Or papers for fans? This is a dupe sticker. Fuck dupe stickers. Okay. Harto. Nico Nico ni anata wa harto Nico Nico ni? Hai hai. Anata wa harto Nico Nico ni. Watashi wa harto Nico Nico ni. This is a man. Fuck men. Alright? They're the patriarchy and I hate them. I want them to die. Am I right, other guys out there? Are you recognizing your internal misogyny like I am? Right? Yeah? Huh? Me too. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Speaking of which, every girl needs to send me nudes. Just kidding. I don't care. I don't want your nudes, frankly. I've got all the nudes I want from my girl. Remind myself later to cut that out. Okay. Suzune again. You have made it up with your cosplay. You are allowed to be on the sticker board. Okay, that cute girl I liked. Side character, no name, but got a holo of her. Boom. Flattest tits this side of the Pacific. Alright, Maki again. Let's move on. Okay. Boom, crying. Boom, paper. Lots of paper. Oh, she's turning her paper into fans. Maki. Very sincere face there. Okay, Sayori, new sticky. Let's get you on the board. Boom. Alright. That is presumably used for something. It has a code on there. Maybe that's like a registration thing? I don't know. Maybe you can send those in? I don't know. Mado! I love Mado. Okay. That time she was cosplaying as Death. Destroyer of Worlds. Sneezing. Not allowed in 2020. Sayori. Another group photo. This is so weird because it's a picture of a picture. Very strange. Okay. Rico, right? Maki again, but that's a dupe. Oh! This seems rare. Halloween. This is the best holo we've gotten, I think. Halloween. Maki and... Rico, right? Yes? No? Maybe? Man, Maki's got big tits. What the fuck? She's bringing them in. God damn. Girl, lay off the lactose. Harto, again. Ugh. Can't tell if you're a man or a boy. Or female. So, for now you are allowed to live. Alright. Another one. Let's go. Yuiko. Rico. Suzune. Sayori. Sticky. Repeat. Cute. Oh, Maki in a kimono. Nice. Maki again, being punished for her crimes. Maki is cosplaying as Sayori, or the other way around. What are the different eye colors? I believe that is actually Sayori with Maki's hair. Very suspicious. The eye color gives it away. You can't change the color of your eyes. Contacts do not exist in this world. Love letter? Probably not. No one loves you. Repeat. Gross. Okay. Love you too, Monkey. You're cute. Moving on. Mucky, what do you have to say? No idea. Mucky, grow your hair back, please. Thank you. Lots of dupes. Dupe sticker? What? No. Come on, signature card. I only got 3 packs left. Man. I tore that so violently I dropped my phone. But it is torn up, just so you know. It is pieces. It will be burned later. Men are not allowed on this episode. Not even me. I'm going to edit my audio out and put in a speech by Hillary Clinton, the greatest woman to ever live. Just kidding. Maki. Yuiko. Another sticker. Okay. Pretty basic holo there. Maki being afraid again. Come on, signature card. Give it to me. Okay. Most kissable eyes I've ever seen. Suzune, Maki, or Sayori, I meant. Oops. Is this the holo? Okay, gotten that like 4 times. Maki has a Mato though. I will always take that. Surprise face. Hashtag surprise face. Hashtag blessed. Hashtag too blessed to be stressed. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Repeat. Okay. That's new, I think. That nose, though. God damn. Back when anime drew noses. You know what I'm talking about? Back in the 80s. You guys remember that? Huh? I don't. I wasn't born. Okay. Last pack. Signature card. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Nope. Fuck! Damn it. Son of a bitch. Okay, that is it. Thank you for watching. Here are all the stickers we got. We got mini dupes, but here's the cards, the stickers we got. Not enough Maki. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Let me know if you liked my higher energy. It picked up there in the end. I had to make it more exciting because, frankly, these cards were kind of boring. But I do have one more box of this, a different set. But, more girls, so a little bit more variety.